You will need 2 sheets of 8.5 by 11 paper. Set one aside. Fold your paper in half vertically. Along the folded edge, bring the top and the bottom corners together and pinch in the middle. Unfold your paper and mark the middle. From the middle, measure and mark 1 inch. From the top edge, measure and mark 2 inches down. From the middle mark, draw a 1/2 inch line. From the bottom mark, draw a 1 inch line. Cut the 1/2 inch line. This is the nose. Cut the 1 inch line. This is the mouth. Take a ruler and pretend that you are going to draw a line connecting the top mark to the right end of the nose. From the folded end, pull up against the ruler's edge. From the mouth, fold back the edges, creating flaps. Flip over the paper and fold the mouth and nose flaps in the opposite direction. Unfold the entire paper and gently push out the nose and the mouth. Mark and measure 1.5 inches from the middle of the bottom edge. This is the edge of the chin. Mark and measure 2.5 inches from the bottom center of the nose on the left and the right sides. These are the edges of the face. Connect the edges of the face to the bottom of the chin. Take 2 buttons and use them to figure out the position of the eyes. Draw lips on the mouth. Draw in the rest of the face. Trim around the outside of the hair. And add more color. When you are ready, glue one side to the inside of the card base. Close the card and press down. Open the card and glue down the other side.